Hello everybody, this is my latest install, HS2032 alarm.com, mixed with wire, hot wire and wireless device in the warehouse. Okay, that's the zone. And alarm.com, antenna, server room. Okay, kitchen motion, front entrance, glass break, keypad front door, door contact kitchen, door contact warehouse, and front warehouse motion. Okay, office motion, office to warehouse doors, conceal contact, warehouse transmitter, siren, warehouse keypad, zone 9 warehouse motion, 10 overhead door, wireless zone, 17 main door, 18 motion, dual tech, 19, and zone 20 wireless contact. Install overhead door contact. It's a floor mount and on top of the overhead door. Zone 21, dual tech motion. 22, 23, 24, 25 overhead door, 26 main door, and 27 single tech wireless motion. Dual tech was defective, so yeah, no choice. All right, big warehouse. Okay, bye bye.